Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Route 99, and this video is very important video for your MBA journey because you got your admit and that is quite amazing. But a new problem that is coming into your upcoming journey is what to pack and what to carry when it comes to B school. So today I'll answer exactly what to carry, what not to carry, what to skip because you are getting into new city, new B schools. So don't forget to watch this video. At the end of this video, it will save a lot of trouble for you. So guys, let's think about it. You got into one of the best B school in the country. You got into metros. You got your hostel allotment, and you may be having 10 to 12 days to pack, and you're planning to move to a new city. So what most of the people are going to do? They panic. They open Google at midnight and they search what to carry at B schools. They throw everything at into the bags, and at the end, they would be having 3 to 6 bags full of things which is not gonna help them out into your MBA journey. So I'll tell you 5 things that you need to carry and which are very important. I have seen this pattern from past 5 years. So guys, today we are going to fix it. I'll tell you what exactly you need to carry. I'm not gonna tell you what looks flashy or what looks amazing. The question is quite simple on the screen is what do you actually pack whenever you are getting into B school? Let's answer it. So I wanted to tell you some things that you need to keep into mind. Before we get into list, I want to give you one rule. Pack smartly, not heavy. Why this is important? I'll tell you 3 reasons. One, your hostel room is very small. One bed, one cupboard, one table. There's no extra space for bags. Second, your campus has a shop. In some of the B school, there will be 2 to 3 shops, so where you can buy most of the things into the campus itself. Third, in India, in most of the B schools, online delivery is still working. So if you forget something, you can order it and you'll get the delivery within 2 to 3 days. So you don't have to carry our stuff for 1 year or 2 year, right? So I'll tell you some 6 things that you need to carry or cover today itself. First, documents. Second, tech. Third, clothes. Fourth, room items. Fifth, health and toiletries. And I'll also tell you by the end of this video what not to carry. Now let's discuss about the documents. These are the non-negotiable items. On day one, the college will check everything. You sent an application form. Even if you miss one of the paper, there will be lot of issues that you might face during your placements. So guys, carry these documents, carry these photocopies for your MBA journey. First thing, your admission letter, offer letter. Second thing is your class 10 mark sheet, your certification. Third thing is class 12 mark sheet certification. Fourth thing, graduation mark sheet, degree certificate. Fifth thing, CAT scorecard as well as your entrance exam result. Sixth thing, carry your, if you are from not, I would say general category, if you are from SC ST category, definitely you have to carry the reservation certificates if it applies to you. Aadhaar card, PAN card, then 15 to 20 passport size photos. You can use them at any time. And one more thing, take photos of all these papers, save them into Google Drive as well as in your phone. If anything gets lost, you will be having the copy of it. Remember, original plus 2 copies of everything will be very handy for you. So, along with that, you can buy a charger. You cannot quickly get a new documents. So, guys, you have to have physical copies as well as soft copies, hard copies of it. Don't take risk with this bucket. Now, let's discuss about the tech kits. Second, your tech kits plays a very important role because you are getting into B school, right? First thing, you should carry laptop and charger. Always carry one extra charging cable. Cable stop working usually at the worst time. Second thing is power bank. Power cut is happening in most of the B school. I have seen it. Long classes will happen. You don't if you don't want your laptop to die during your presentation or during your discussion, always try to carry that power bank. Third thing is extension board with 4 plugs. This is the most useful thing in your hostel room. Hostel rooms have fewer power point. If you have laptop, phone, earphone, power bank, and if you wanted a charge for all these things, a extension board will definitely solve out your issue. Fourth, earphones as well as headset. For online classes, group class, studying at night, everything earphones are very important. Fifth, try to carry pen drive or small hard drive. For saving files, for sharing presentations, definitely carry this. Sixth, a mouse. If you work for long hours on your laptop, your hand will definitely thank you later, because if you that mouse will be handy for you. So guys, it is very simple for you. Simple list, don't overthink into the process. Now, wardrobe matters a lot. Wardrobe means basically your clothes. This is where most people do the mistake. They overpack. Split your clothes into two groups. First one is Group 1, formal clothes. For your classes, presentations, interviews, you have to carry 3 to 4 formal shirts which are matching with your trousers, one good blazer or suit for your placements, interviews. Do not skip this, guys. One tie, one belt, one pair of black formal shoes. That's all you need to carry. 3 or 4 shirts is quite enough. You will wash it and you will use it again. Group 2, you have to carry some casual clothes for your daily life, because guys, you will be living in the campus. Carry t-shirts, jeans, joggers. You can carry 2 hoodies for rooms as well as classrooms. Night wear, sports wear, sports shoes. You will go for a walk or gym at some point. You have to carry it. Post that, one ethnic outfit is very important for cultural events or festivals. Important, check the weather of your campus city. A college which is in hills, let's say SIBM Pune, we- that would be far different as compared to college which is closer to sea. Pack your clothes, and simple rule, guys, that I want to tell you: don't overpack casuals, never escape the blazer. Now let's discuss about room items. Room items as well as daily living. People forget this bucket until they arrive. And see, the hostel gives you only one bed as well as 4 walls. Everything is on you, the onus is on you. So, what you have to carry is 2 sets of bed sheet, pillow cover, wash ones. Second thing is one light blanket or quilt, 2 towels, hangers. You should carry almost 7 to 10 hangers, a laundry bag. Then you can carry small storage bags in terms of hostel cupboards at odd shapes, boxes that will help you out in terms of organization. You can also carry a study lamp for late night study where you can study there itself. Post that, you can carry one cycle. You can take out that cycle into the campus itself. See, a cycle is very important when it comes to big campus. Again, you can order it online. Post that, guys, try to keep your lifestyle frugal into the campus, which is very important. You can enjoy, you can do the parties, you can get into different places, but have that quota where you can do minimal spending, because you are getting into B school where you are going to learn the thing. Suppose that what we are going to discuss here is health, toiletries, and safety. For toiletries, you can carry what you need first into these 2 to 3 weeks. My suggestion would be carry toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, shampoo, deodorant, razor, comb, nail cutter. After 2 weeks, you will get to know what you need to carry into the campus itself. For health, I think health is very important in my suggestion. So you can carry a first aid box, bandage, antiseptic cream. Suppose that for basic medicines, mainly student would be having fever, cold, headache, acidity. For all this, carry see, you have to carry some medicines for it. If you forget to take the medicines on time, try to note it down and get into the campus and order it online. Also, try to connect to a local pharmacy once you get into campus, where you will be having all the resources which are very important. Suppose that you can carry 2 locks, one for cupboard, one for your bag, because that is very important, guys. Suppose that keep your documents separate, safe place. Do not lose your documents. Do not lose your main bag. Carry your prescription and carry your pills. Now let's discuss about what you should not carry, and this is most important part of this video. I'll tell you what you should not carry. See, most of the items that will be taken it out during the hostel, I have seen this, and these items are banned in your B schools. First thing is immersion water heater rods. These are very common at home places, but these are banned in hostel. Second thing is don't carry any electric stuff such as cooking stoves or induction waves. They are definitely banned in the campus. Third thing is high powered electric kettles. They are banned. Post that personal table fans or room heaters. They are not allowed into the campus. You can carry such as iron box or some kettle. But before that, you have to ask for the permission. Always check the rule book of the hostel. Every campus has different rules, and then you have to read that rule, talk to the seniors, and then you have to carry it. So, guys, unnecessary don't carry usual clothes. Just carry the clothes which are very important for you. Don't carry decorated material that is not important for you. Post that. Don't carry expensive jewelry. See, guys, you're not going to campus to impress towards people. Keep it simple, keep it light. So I wanted to tell you three tips for you. Tip number one, make a 48 hours bag, right? Before you are getting into B school, you have to have a big suitcase where you can carry clothes, your charger, toiletries, your documents, put them into small bag at the top of the section. And one day before that, make sure you are going to have a list of the things that is not important for you. You can carry toothbrush, that is very important. Tip 2. Write your name on your charger. In a shared hostel, chargers go missing all the time. Not because people are going to steal it, because everyone would be having same charger, and if someone picks the wrong charger, you are out of the place. You have to again order charger from any place. So you can put a small tape on the charger itself with your name. Third thing is carry a small travel backpack. B-school weekends are fun and they are last minute decisions. People often plan trips on Friday evening for Saturday morning. So you will not want to drag a big suitcase on a short trip. So my suggestion would be carry a small backpack 20 to 30 liters. Picking smart means carrying the right things at right time. So guys, मैं lastly आपको कुछ चीजें बताना चाहता हूँ that is very important, and I'll do a quick recap of all these buckets. First thing is documents. Carry originals as well as two copies of everything which is saved on cloud. Second, tech. You have to carry laptop, power bank, extension board, earphones. Third one is clothes. You can carry formal casuals, never skip your blazer. Fourth thing is room items. Carry bed sheet, towels, hangers, lamp. Post that health and toiletries. You should have supply of medicines, prescription, and then you can carry. See, this is the skip list of it. You should not carry all these things such as cooking appliances, electric rods. Always read that hostel rule book. So, guys, this is the full list. You don't need to carry your whole life to peaceful. You don't need to just carry the electric things. You can carry the necessary things at the right time and at the right place. All the best to you. Save this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel, and most importantly, share this video to our friends, which will be very handy. And in the comment box, tell me which campus you are going to join. If you like these videos, also try to watch all the videos which are posted it out. Signing off from this video. All the best to you guys.